I honestly can't believe that this journal is officially done. It was much love put into it, and I'm really happy with how things turned out. For the custom, basically I'm just going to flip through it and chat a little bit about it. This one here is for Sabrina, and she's actually a student. So a lot of these beginning spreads are specifically dedicated for different student trackers, and they are going to be her ideal schedule. For any type of custom, I do have those beginning spreads just completely based on what the person wants, whether it is for students, whether it's for reading or working out, overall goals, business challenges, anything that you can think of, I can put at the beginning of the book. Now, the really cool thing that I liked about doing this custom is Sabrina had the vision of having 3 different overall arching themes and then wanted each theme broken down into subcategories. The overall themes were going to be space and NASA, zodiac, constellations, and tarot cards as well, which is really cool. So you'll see them scattered out through each of the 3 months. A new theme kind of comes up. I did like to stick within the colors that she loves and adores, which are blues and purples. And then for the tarot cards, you will see I do have a lot of metallic gold watercolor in there. I really just think that it helped the black paper pop a little bit better. I honestly loved doing the custom because it got me out of the traditional styles that I usually do and actually inspired me for my own November Plan With Me theme of a tarot reading card. So I kind of adapted the fun that I ended up having in here and used it for my own, which was a lot of fun. I honestly don't think I have a favorite theme out of all of these because they were just all so much fun to create. But the one thing that I do have to say, if I would have to pick a favorite, the space themes, any of the blue colored months are probably my favorite. And coming up, you will see July. That one was NASA specific. She had requested to do a space moon landing type of theme. So I took the Apollo rocket that ends up going into space for that moon landing, which was really cool. So that's just how that one turned out. Probably my favorite. If not, I really did like the January astronaut outline because of the simplicity of the lines, and it just made like the small colors pop out really well. But I do just wanted to talk about kind of the layouts for each of the months. So for Sabrina, she did have a cover page for each of them. And then she also wanted to track her habits and her mood on each of those pages as well. She did end up choosing a 2-page monthly calendar and then this specific weekly style as well, which is one of my favorites because it gives you a lot of space just to write out all the tasks that you want to get done throughout the week. But I do break down kind of what you could do in any type of custom there for people. Just in my initial custom video, I'll have that linked up above. I do really love the idea of having the gratitude, meals, sleep tracker, and notes all up at the top. So every week you can see exactly what you're getting done. And if you need to kind of readjust your schedule to make sure that you are getting enough sleep or you are planning your meals on out, which is really nice too. And it's crazy to think that Sabrina is going to be using this come 2025 January. I just mailed it out a few weeks ago and it just arrived to Sabrina in the last couple of weeks by the time I'm recording this, honestly, with things how they're recorded and how they're posted. But I cannot wait to just hear how she is going to enjoy using it. She's already sent me feedback on how much she loves the look of the journal, just with videos and photos that I've sent on over. But it's really cool to be trusted to do something like this, and I'm really happy that it turned out the way that it did. I cannot wait, though, to get another custom order in and create a perfect journal for another person.